Ugh, not now. Wow, that is dramatic.
Huh? Where'd my burger go?
Tastes great, thanks. Gigi! Fine. Can't handle the growl anyway.
You're the worst, but thank you.
Lucky for you, I'm prepared.
Prepared?
Shh. Here.
A candy bar? Where did...
Don't worry about it. Eat.
Oh, wow, you're a lifesaver.
And there's more where
Come
that
on,
came
before
from.
That was loud.
Yeah, echoed off the walls. Impressive.
Where'd my donut go?
I didn't see a donut. Gigi.
All right. Here, before your belly shakes the ceiling down. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
I'm starving. Huh? Where'd it go? Mine now. Gigi, please. Gotcha. Hey.
Yikes, that's loud enough to scare the cookies.
I haven't eaten in hours!
Good thing I know where to hide snacks.
Gigi, what are you doing?
Nothing, just keeping them safe.
Whoa, that was loud.
I know, it's embarrassing.
Kinda sounds like a thunderstorm in there.
Yeah, I really need a snack.
Oh no, not again!
Whoa, that was you?
I
Hold
skipped
up,
lunch.
let me hear that.
Gigi,
Shh,
please.
listen. Woo, it's like a thunderstorm in there.
You done?
Yeah, but we gotta...
Ugh, my stomach. Oh, so loud.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Huh? Where did my chocolate go?
Nope, nothing to see, just helping you out.
Gigi!